4 delicious recipes with carrots. Carrots contain many different vitamins and are great for the skin and eyes. However, we're not always sure how to eat them beyond putting them in a salad. If that's your case, check out these 4 delicious recipes that use carrots. Carrot casserole. This casserole is actually a pastel, a casserole-like dish consisting of baked dough filled with vegetables. This is a delicious recipe that you'll definitely enjoy. In order to make it, you'll need for the dough, 1 cup of fine whole flour, 1/4 cup of water, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, for the filling, one onion, 1 leek, 4 carrots, 1 cup of pumpkin, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, eggplant, Three tablespoons of ricotta cheese, 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, parsley, cracker crumbs, sesame seeds, preparation. Mix all of the ingredients necessary to prepare the dough. Knead it with your hands until the dough is smooth and elastic. Cover the dough and put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Peel the onion and cut it into fine pieces, and do the same with the leek, the carrots, and the pumpkin. Put them in a frying pan along with the olive oil and sea salt. Fry them until they are cooked through and take them out of the frying pan. Mix them with both of the cheeses. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cover a baking pan with baking paper. Stretch the dough on a floured surface until it is very thin. Sprinkle a bit of the cracker crumbs over the dough, followed by the filling. Spread the filling out so that it is even over the dough. Roll the dough up, taking care to not break or tear it. Sprinkle the rolled pastel with sesame seeds and bake until golden brown. Cream of carrot and pumpkin soup. This is a tasty soup of Spanish origin. Ingredients: 2 cups of pumpkin, 4 carrots, Parmesan cheese, water, salt, preparation. Peel the carrots and shred the pumpkin.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Put them both in a saucepan with the water and salt and boil. Strain the carrots and pumpkin and mash them. Put the Parmesan cheese on top and you're done. If you like, you can also flavor it with some parsley. Carrot chickpea puree. This Eastern recipe is very simple and contains the following ingredients: 2 cups of chickpeas, canned is fine. 4 cups of carrots. 1 tomato. 1 clove of garlic. 1 onion. 1 teaspoon of curry powder. 1 container of vegetable soup stock. If you use vegetable bouillon, follow the recipe on the container. 4. One bunch of fresh cilantro. 2 tablespoons of raisins. 1 Peel and wash the vegetables and cut them into large pieces. Rinse the chickpeas. Fry the vegetables in a saucepan with the olive oil, add the chickpeas, the vegetable soup stock, the curry powder, and 1 liter of water. Let them cook for about 45 minutes. If you wish, you can garnish with raisins and fresh cilantro. Carrot cake. For this classic recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: 400 grams of Maria biscuits. You can find them in the Hispanic food section of your local grocery store. If you can't find them, substitute Nilla wafers or other similar small cookies. 1 can of condensed milk. 1 glass of milk. Optional, raisins and almonds. Preparation is very simple, and if you have children, it's a great way to include them in the kitchen. Break the Marie biscuits into crumbs and put them in a bowl. Mix in the glass of milk and then the can of condensed milk. Whisk them together until they form a paste. Add the carrots and pour into bread pans. They can be eaten cold or hot.